Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we catch up on Donna Goudeau, the woman whose 2011 arrest spawned countless internet memes. So, where is she now? Let's find out. Donna Goudeau became widely known after her dramatic 2011 arrest in Texas, during which she made a number of memorable statements. Things like, "I'm legally blind," and "POP, hold it down." That video went viral, and she became an unlikely internet figure overnight. Her arrest was linked to a violent robbery involving an elderly man at a hotel, and the case drew intense media attention. Donna was convicted for her role in the robbery and received an 18-year prison sentence. She was sent to the Dr. Lane Murray Unit, a women's prison in Gatesville, Texas, where she is serving her time. Rumors once spread that she had been stabbed in prison, but those reports were false, part of a death hoax circulating online. In reality, she is still alive and remains incarcerated. Where is Donna Goudeau now? As of now, Donna Goudeau is still behind bars. Her projected release date is the 19th of July 2029, assuming she serves the full term of her sentence. Despite her viral fame, she has kept a low profile in prison, with no major public statements or new media appearances. Donna Goudeau's story is a reminder that internet fame can come from the most unexpected places, but real life doesn't end with a meme. While she made her mark online, she continues to pay the price for her actions in a very real way. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this update interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.